Yeah, it's the homie right here. It's Crazy Lokes, and I'm being sincere. Hope y'all got the facts, hope I made it clear. Gonna get ready and flow, that's a fact, that's for show. Y'all should get a clue, something y'all needs to know. Yes, something to y'all got to say, something to y'all got to confess. I'm gonna spit, that's a fact, no fib. Y'all should get it through your brain, y'all should get it through your kid. We outside of national Hispanics, that's a fact, something y'all needs to be understanding. Suckers running mouths, they gonna lose, they gonna be winning. This dude is hecka cool, that's a fact, I'm being true. Y'all know what I'm saying? Suckers running mouths, I'm gonna check out them fruity foods if they are fruit. Y'all know what I'm saying? They gonna get hurt if they a bitch, if they a jerk. In this world, on this earth, they should never smile, they should never smirk. They just shouldn't. Hope y'all understood it. Things ain't gonna be good, it's gonna be bad. They shouldn't be happy, they shouldn't be glad. They, you know what I'm saying? Straight up though, for show, something y'all needs to know. Y'all should get a clue while I do spit, while I do fucking flow. I'm just freeing like a fucking bird. Hope I'm someone y'all did hear, be hearing. Hope I'm someone y'all fucking heard. All them suckers is so gay, they so fucking absurd. They need to fucking not talk they fucking mouth. Something they don't wanna fucking talk. If they gay, if they a fucking lock. Y'all know what I'm saying? I do it so good, so fucking raw. My flows is so good, so fucking top. I'm being real, I'm being precise. I'm gonna let this dude go. That's a fact, that's for show. Y'all should get a clue, something y'all need to know while I just spit. That's a fact, y'all should get it through your heads. Yeah. What's up, homies? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Jose.
Mucho gusto. Crazy Lokes. View me on YouTube, homie. CrazyLocs, and a lot of videos of me will pop up, homes.
All right,
Mucho
man.
gusto,
Let me
homes.
check it out.
All right, homes.